So hi everyone, welcome to you all in my another video. And today is very good news for you if you are a nurse. If you are a nurse and planning to migrate to Australia, as you know that the South Australia just now going to open, from 16 February onwards, you can file your visa. So 1 week before they open the window, so you can prepare your document and you can file your visa. So 190 and 491 both visa you can file, and so if you are eligible for that. So this video I am going to see that what are the conditions for applying this visa. And if you see that there's a very good news basically if your age, so most of the times in Australia they give preference if you are younger, like below 40 years. But this time they are saying, South Australia say that your age is up to 45 years, still you can apply for this visa. And for nursing, I can say that a lot of visa is available for nurse and they are given very low point, so you can apply. So skill assessment and the other process you already know, you already complete, but I'm going to talk here about the about just the visa. So if you want to know me the process, then I can make another video. Please leave a comment below, so I will reply there. So if you see here that every year the most of the time the highest visa they are given for nurse. So 17,000 17,000 visa right now for 2021 2022 they give for the nursing. And nursing is just 3,000 about visa they issued, and about I can say 13 to 14,000 visa is left. So if you are one of the nurse, it's a great opportunity for you. You can file this visa. So like midwife, nurse education, nurse educator, nurse researcher, nurse manager, nurse practitioner, registered nurse. तो बहुत सारी जो नर्सिंग की जो प्रोफाइल्स होती हैं वेरियस यू कैन फाइल. If you see here, this is a nursing researcher. After PhD also, I'm also doing the same research. If you did your master's or PhD after nurse, it's the same thing, so it can be work as a nursing researcher. There are a lot of research in Australia, so nurses are involved in that. So you can see here the aged care and child care, community health, critical care emergency nurse, and development disability nurse, and disability rehabilitation nurse, and registered nurse in medical. So all these. So the main problem, those are from Indian nurse. So they always say that, sir, I can work here, I can work there. I know surgical, I know about the pediatrics, I can work in mental health, I can work in medical practice. So this is not like, in Australia, once you complete your degree and you have at least 2 to 3 years, you are working as a nurse in India or any other country. So in that country, you are working in particular, for example, you are working in the mental health department, you are working in surgical. So you have to apply the same stream. Don't go to other stream, otherwise it may be a negative impact for you and you might be not get the visa. So whatever your expertise, you have to apply according to that. So chaliye, we will see that what is the detail here. So this is South Australia, and they are saying that when you are applying for this visa, 190 you are eligible, and you are eligible for 491. So 65 points minimum required when you are applying for this visa. So 190 visa is, this is a state sponsored visa, and in that particular state you have to live, and a state given to you 5 points. For example, if you have 65 points and 5 points given by the state, now you have 70 points. The assessment of your application will be on 70 points. Another visa is a 491 visa. So this is also very good opportunity for you if you have a low points. But nursing, they are getting visa at very low point. Even if you have 70 points, 70 75, you may get the invitation for this visa. So in 491 visa, you have to live and work in the regional area in the South Australia, and they will give into you 15 additional points. So if you have 65, 15 given by the state, now you have a 80 points, and 80 points is a good point for nursing. You may get the invitation. But this is not a PR visa. This is not permanent residency. So this is a visa for 5 years. So you have to live and work for 3 years in that state, in the regional area. Then you have to show is about your earning 55,000. But if you are a nurse, your salary will be about 80,000, 70 to 80,000. So no need to worry about that. You need just worry. You just come in regional area. A lot of opportunity for nurse. So there is not much struggle for you to go find a job. So if you just file this visa and then I mean you live and work for 3 years, you are earning 55,000 around, then you can file your PR visa, and this visa after 3 years you will get PR. So this is the how you can get. But here what they are saying in the what is the condition for 190 from South Australia. So they are saying at least you are currently you are working in your nominated or closely nominated area. I mean, they're saying that if you are in Adelaide, Adelaide is the capital city of South Australia. So if you are living and working there last 18 months, 18 महीने से आप वहाँ रह रहे हैं और 12 महीने से आप उस स्टेट में हैं और आप किसी रीजनल एरिया में काम कर रहे हैं, then you can file this 190 visa. Otherwise, you have to go for 491 visa if you are not fulfilling the other criteria. Currently working in your nominated or closely nominated area, मतलब अगर आप 6 months से काम कर रहे हैं last 6 months, then you have to go for 491. But if you are 12 months and more than that, then you are eligible for 190 visa. So 190 is highly demanded visa, as compared to 491. 491 is a lot of conditions for this visa. So people are choosing 190. So if you have chance to go for 190, 491, so I can say go for 190, not for 491. But if you are asking me, can I apply both? Yes, you can apply both. And I can say if you are getting whatever you are getting, you just come to Australia. It's a lot of opportunities for you, So now if we are seeing here, there is another pathway that, for example, you did your nursing from India and you came for a study in Australia. For example, you did your Master of Public Health, Master of Social Work, or you did your Master of Nursing, or you did your PhD, anything you did your education. So they are saying that this is a separate visa that is called a SA graduate pathway, in South Australia graduate pathway, because you study in South Australia. So the South Australia government given to you the advantage you can get the PR visa. So have completed a bachelor degree or higher qualification in South Australia, or currently working in your nominated. So they are saying that you already completed your education in South Australia, or you are working last 3 months, so you also can apply for this visa. So and you must be registered with APRA. They are saying here, currently working as a care worker or support worker role. I mean, they are saying that if you are a nurse and later on you are working in the supporting roles, like aged care or child care, those kind of tasks, which must be a APRA registration. You must be a registered pharmacist with APRA, But for this graduate pathway, no need. For example, if you did master of you did your PhD, for example, so there is no need for registration. Or you did your masters also, no need for registration. You can apply here. Graduate pathway also here, they are saying that your PhD, your master degree by this GPA 5 and this and that, and English, yes, English. When you are a healthcare professional, so your English must be 7, not less than 7, accumulated, and and so this is basically criteria for onshore applicants. So you already in Australia, you are living or working in South Australia, so this visa is for you. So what about those are in India? So they clearly mention here the offshore applicant currently unavailable. So they are saying that first they are invited the application. Those are in Australia. Those are living in South Australia. But most of the time, what happened? They invited, but they are not getting enough number of applications. So after like 2 weeks, or after 4 weeks, they change the criteria. They also invited the offshore applicant. So I will also, you can follow my videos. So I will also, if there is any update to change this offshore applicant, I will immediately make a new video and I will upload here. So I think I hope आपको समझ में आ गई होगी कि ये जो है 491 और जो 190 जो वीजा है, if you are a nurse from overseas, you can apply. But If you are in offshore, you are living in your country, you cannot apply this visa right now, but it might be changed after 2 weeks or something. I will update later on. And yeah, or I can say at the end that if you have a low points also, you just apply. If you have a just 65 points, just apply, because nurse, they may get in the lowest point, but if you are like other professional, if you are competing like 90 points, they need sometimes they need 100 points, but for nurse, it might be 65 or 70 points is enough to get invitation for your PR. So this is the Akram video, Yetha. And please like and subscribe my videos so I can make more videos for you. And thank you for this video.